How do you figure out the state of an element or compound? We need to know the states of elements and compounds because we need to identify their states in reactions. There are 4 main states: gas, liquid, solid, and aqueous. Aqueous means it's soluble in water and it only applies to compounds. All of these states will be written as subscripts next to their respective elements or compounds. Gas will be a lowercase g in brackets, liquid will be a lowercase l in brackets, solid will be a lowercase s in brackets, and aqueous will be a lowercase aq in brackets. Firstly, we will cover how to find the states of elements on their own. Hofbrinkel is an acronym that stands for hydrogen, oxygen, fluorine, bromine, iodine, nitrogen, and chlorine. We use the acronym to remember our diatomic molecules, but they also help us remember their states. What's a diatomic molecule? A regular atom is found on its own, but a diatomic molecule is composed of 2 atoms, hence the prefix di meaning 2, and the word atomic meaning atom. Diatomic, 2 atoms. In life, the elements of Hofbrinkel are always found in pairs. Since they are diatomic, their subscripts will always be 2, representing 2 atoms. Now, what are the states of Hofbrinkel? All elements in Hofbrinkel are gases, excluding iodine, which is a solid, and bromine, which is a liquid. How would we write them out? Hydrogen would be written as H, its element symbol, with a subscript of 2 because it's diatomic, and a subscript of G in brackets to show that it's a gas. All the other gaseous elements would be written the exact same, the only difference being their element symbols. Iodine would be written as I, its element symbol, with a subscript of 2 because it's diatomic, and a subscript of S in brackets to show that it's a solid. Finally, bromine would be written as Br, its element symbol, with a subscript of 2 because it's diatomic, and a subscript of L in brackets to show that it's a liquid. Now, what about the states of the rest of the elements that are not part of Hofbrinkel?
Typically, if they are found in the alkaline metals, the alkaline earth metals, the transition metals, or metalloids, they are solids, with the exception of mercury, which is a liquid. All noble gases which are found in group 18 are gases. The rest are also solids, excluding nitrogen, oxygen, and sulfur, which are gases. If the elements are not part of Hofbrinkel, they are not diatomic, so you would only write out the element symbol and the state as a subscript in brackets. For example, magnesium would be written as Mg with a subscript of S in brackets.